So right now, 1 weekend, we have $142 in premium that we've brought in. I will say that this month is starting out slower because we are in the process of moving capital over to another portfolio, and also the ones that we do have are pulling in some smaller premiums themselves. So I got some ideas about how to wait or see if we can get more premium for them. Some of the strategy involves, like some of the ones I had to set sell premium on weekly options like 2 or 3 weeks out. Another idea to do is instead of doing that, to not sell the calls on those higher priced ones. And I don't want to drop the price down to a dollar amount that is making money, because I don't want to get below the cost basis that I'm involved in them, because then there's always the possibility that the price goes up and then you end up getting called out and then you lose the capital. But the idea that I had instead was, knowing that stocks bounce up and down, and they're always going up and they're going down and then they're going up and then they're going down, either in a downtrend, side trend, or uptrend. But knowing that, it might make sense, if you can't sell calls for any amount of premium, to just sell the puts on the lower end, because you'll get basically an at the money premium on those. But if the stock starts going up towards your cost basis without premium, then that will cause the premium amounts to go up on those calls. So then you could sell calls at that point in time for the weekly again, so it has a very short duration, and then you'd make a lot more money than going out 3 weeks and only selling a call that's like $6-7 above where it's trading at now for a penny. Whereas if I just forgot about trying to make that penny, waited till the stock started going up, if it did start going up, if it doesn't go up, then we're just trading the puts on the lower end on the other side of it, and we're making as much premium as we can on those. And if it does go down, then it'll pull the cost basis down, so it'll allow us to do that more. So in any case, I'm going to be focusing on doing that with like NVAX and RUM to illustrate what I'm talking about. But obviously that'll just take time over the next several weeks to illustrate that. But in any case, so that was the weekly review follow-up, and we entered the transactions.